Hello, kids. For reading today, I want to give you another tool for your reading strategies tool belt, and also give you the instruction that each day you should be reading independently for at least 20 minutes. So with the independent reading time, you can watch these videos, think about the strategies, but when these are over, your next step is to dig into a book, get lost in a book, and enjoy some reading time. Your reading strategy for today is called skip and return. So no matter what your level reading is, if you're an expert reader or an emerging reader, you come to words that you just don't know. And you have to use some strategies to figure out what those words might be. So for this case, I've built a little sentence here to use the skip and return strategy. So basically what it means is you're reading words that you do understand, you come to a word that you don't understand, you skip over it, read the rest of the sentence, and then think to yourself, what makes sense in this situation? What parts of the words do I know that could help it make sense better? And return to the beginning of the sentence, and as you come to the word, you're thinking, what was that word that I missed? So in this sentence, I've got, um, I want to put on my pizza. Well, I I know about pizza. I'm thinking about pizza. It must be some kind of pizza topping. It could be something else that you would put on a pizza, like a sauce or something like that. But now that I know the context of the sentence, I know what this sentence is mostly about, I can return to the beginning and I can think about what makes sense in this statement. So I skipped the word pepperoni, and I read to the end of the sentence. And then I thought to myself, what makes sense? And I looked at the letters of the word. So I see that it starts with P-E-P, pep. And I have some knowledge of different things that go on pizza. And I have knowledge of one specific thing that goes on pizza, that's a common pizza topping. And so I'm going to return to the beginning and read the entire sentence because I think this word probably is pepperoni. I want to put pepperoni on my pizza. I ask myself, does that make sense? And I see that it does. And I've got a strategy that works called skip and return. So skip over words that you don't know. It's just one strategy that you can use to skip over a word that you don't know, finish the sentence, go back, think about that word, look at the letters of the word, read the whole sentence, and make sure that it makes sense. Okay, so you've got one more strategy in your tool belt, and I'd like for you to use the rest of your reading time to dig into a book. You can have a real book in your hands. You can go onto our virtual library, the Epic Library, visit the actual library through the Access 360 app, and enjoy your reading time. Have fun.